Okay, this video picks up and is sort of an amendment to the end of the 4-axis rotary programming with a macro. This will cover machines that don't have work coordinate rotation offsets, either using internal settings in the machine or some macro programming that's possible to do so. For example, if we look at the operations on any work coordinate other than these at 0 degrees on the top of the part, let's say we look at this 9-degree position here, the work coordinate for the part located in relationship to the actual part is the same as it is at position 1 up here on top. Which means all the programming is done from the same, or the X, Y, Z coordinates are taken from the same location, right? The work coordinate. But when this part rotates up here, this actual work coordinate position is identical to 0 degree position 1 or G54 or P154, P1, whatever your situation is. But because the macro in the previous video is used to easily set up this situation, and for some machines that can do the work coordinate rotation, it's left just like this. But we want to actually output the correct code for all of our positions where we don't have work coordinate rotation. So what we need to do is get all of our work coordinates that are not at 0 degrees up here in their same corresponding positions. So using our mask and Esprit, let's turn off pretty much everything except for our work coordinates here, right? So we can either graphically select, for example, our work coordinates here at 90 degrees, and rotate those up to their true positions. So we'll just copy those and we'll rotate. We'll move those minus 90 from this position around the x-axis. So now all the 90-degree work coordinate part positions are in their true position for machining. And we'll select the work coordinates here at 180. And we'll rotate those 180 degrees around the x. And we'll select the work coordinates at 270 or minus 90 and rotate those up to their true positions. Okay? Now if we turn everything back on again, we can see nothing's actually moved in relationship to the part and the programming. It's just that when the parts rotate up to their machine position, they'll go up and match their work coordinates properly. Okay, let's look at simulation here, and let's pick the first position here, and we can see in the XY coordinates our first tool position here in the operation. And if we pick any of the other operations, we have identical first start position. So that's how you would handle the non-rotating work coordinate type of machines.